We offer trash bin cleaning systems equipment financing on both trailers and on trucks. We finance environmentally friendly 9 to 15 stage wastewater recycling systems. Start a trash bin cleaning business and make money. Every trash can get incredibly dirty and disgusting in a short period of time. You can make money providing a trash cart cleaning service in your area. A trash bin cleaning system makes cleaning bins a breeze and allows you to enter a market that quite possibly has little to no competition near you. You can finance a trash bin cleaning system that picks up the bins, uses high pressure and hot water to clean the insides, and allows you to quickly pressure wash the outsides, leaving your customer's bin clean and more sanitary in no time. Every home has at least one trash bin, but most have 2 or 3. And those trash carts or cans aren't going anywhere. As people become more concerned with health and the environment, starting a trash bin cleaning business will place you right in the middle. You'll be able to remove bacteria and pathogens from people's homes and do it in an environmentally friendly, chemical-free way. In addition to residential trash bin cleaning, municipalities will want their trash carts cleaned also. This means steady income for you no matter what. Start the process today to get your trash bin equipment financing by going to the link below to apply, and one of your financing specialists will explain the process to you and get you going.